What up, people out there? Super Ninja KB here at Pure Power Sports. Today's Thursday and tomorrow's Friday, which means I get to go riding. So I am excited to bring you some fresh footage if anybody's out there watching. And I will be on my KTM 200 XCW alongside one of my friends with a Honda CRF250X. Same guy I was with on the last video. And I invited a couple more friends too, and hopefully they show up. The more the merrier. 2,600 acres. Plenty of riding. Plenty of room for everybody. And I was able to get my KTM ready to go for tomorrow, so here we go. Can't wait. See you tomorrow. And we have arrived at Durhamtown at 10 a.m. And there's my homeboy back there. About to unload these bikes and do a ride, baby. Woo!
Bike's only for wider, Oh, nice. Wow, that is badass. I don't see her singing. Yeah, dude, that's fucking awesome. Oh, that was fucking awesome. Really great. Stop,